Subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofa. Today we will learn a new topic. But before I start my topic, I ask you some questions. Student, what do you see in this picture? Yes, some kids are playing. Now tell me, which game are the kids playing? Yes, Langdi. Yes, block games. Okay, very good. So, student, today we will learn number pattern. Patterns can be found everywhere. Patterns can be found in a shapes. See, there are shapes and this is a pattern. Okay, now the pattern can be found in colors. See, different colors. Pattern can be found shapes and colors. And pattern can be found in a numbers like that. What do patterns look like? First, smiley face, then after one heart, then smiley face, and then one heart. There are repeating pattern like this. Can you tell me what comes next? Yes, smiley face, then again one heart. This is called a pattern. Now we have to see what is meant by patterns. Anything that repeats itself in a particular order forms a pattern. Understand that patterns can be formed by repeating objects, shapes in different ways. See, this is an object in a repeat pattern with the help of the colors. And here, repeat the shapes with the help of colors. Look all of you, I made a pattern. First, one knife, one plate, one fork. Again, knife, plate, fork. And then again repeat knife, plate and fork. And now tell me, what is the next? Just see. Yes, same. One knife, one plate and one fork. They are all a repeat of form a pattern. Now I can show you the another set of around her. Friend, see here. Here balloons are there. First the green balloon. Then after that the sky color balloon light blue. And then after that green balloon. Now the repeat again the green balloon. Now tell me which picture or image come next. Yes, very good. Sky color balloon, because first green color balloon, then after that sky color balloon. Then repeat again green color balloon. And then after that repeat again sky color balloon. More example. Now if you see, look at this pattern carefully. First, two stars, then after that one smiley face, and then two stars. Now tell me which pattern come next, star or smiley face? Yes, very good, smiley face. Now our pattern is completed. Two star, one smiley face, two stars and one smiley face. Now see here, one rectangle, one triangle. This is a tree. And then after that, one rectangle and two triangle. Now tell me what come next? Yes, very good. One rectangle is already there. One triangle, and then after that one rectangle and then two triangles. Very good. Now our pattern is completed. Now see next pattern. Identify number patterns as growing patterns and continue them. Like this. This growing pattern, see, first one block, then after that two blocks, then after three blocks, and then after that four blocks. This is called a growing pattern, like a getting a bigger. Now student, see here. What you can see? Yes, the plant is growing. First, all of you see here. First, a small plant. Okay, then after that, a little bit growing. Then after that, the growing. Then after growing, and then that plant is growing a big. That is called a growing pattern. Growing pattern means the repeat that the same thing is growing. Understood? Yes. Now student, see here, this is a cat, but this is a small catty. Then after that, that cat is growing little bit a big cat. Yes or no? Now you can tell me which picture come next. Yes, the cat is bigger. That picture is coming. Yes. See, first the cat is little bit like a small kitty. Then after that the cat is growing. Then after that cat is growing one more. Like that. That is called a growing pattern. Now see the next example. Here one moon, then one shape, one moon, then two shape, then one moon. Now tell me What is a comes next? Just find out. First, only. Now here coming 3. First is here 1. Then we have to add one more. Then coming 2. Then we have to add more. Now our answer is coming 3. This is a growing. One number is adding. That is a growing that pattern. First, see, there are a growing pattern like this. First, one mango, then after that, two mangoes. Now, tell me how many mangoes will be there? Yes, very good. There are 1, 2 and 3 mangoes because this is a growing pattern. First, only one mango is there, and then after that, one more mango is come, and then there are two mangoes. Then two mangoes are there. Then one more mango will be add. Then there are three mangoes. This is called a growing pattern. Now we will go on next. Identify and complete patterns made by numbers and alphabets. See, like this. First, we will see the repeating pattern with the help of numbers, and then after that we will see with the alphabet in a number pattern. There are repeating numbers. Let's see the pattern like this: 4, 4, 3. Now 4, 4. Can you tell me what comes next? Just see. 3. Yes, because the 4, 4, 3. Then after that 4, 4. Then which number come next? 3. Here 3. Then after repeat the 3 number. Yes or no? Here first 4. Then after repeat the 4 number. Then 4. After repeat 4 same number. Then last 3. Then after repeat 3 numbers. Now we have to see the one more example of the. Now all of you see here. This is a number. First 2 number is there, and then here also same. Repeat 2 number again. Now second number 4 number is there, and then here also same second number 4 number is repeat again. Now last third number 6, and here also 6 number repeat. Now tell me which numbers comes next? Yes, very good. There are same number repeat. First 2 number, then after that 4 number, and then after that 6 number, because this is a repeating pattern. See the next. Here 1 number, then 2 number, then 3 number. Then repeat again this train: 1 number, 2 numbers and 3 numbers. Then what come next? Now you can tell me. Yes, very good. First 1 number, then 2 number, and then 3 number. Now all of you can understood how can repeat the numbers. Now we have to. Now all of you see here. Wow, so many fish. Now see, the each fish some alphabet is there. First A, second B, and third fish C. Now tell me what come next. In first fish, which alphabet is there? A. Yes, very good. Now tell me which come next. Repeat the alphabet. B, because same repeating pattern here. A, then here A, B, then repeat again B. Now tell me the last fish. What come next alphabet? C. Yes, very good. Now see, this is a repeating pattern with the help of alphabet A, B, C. Then repeat again these alphabets A, B and C, like that. All of you see this alphabet. First, it is a R. Then I put S. Now, tell me, after that, which alphabet come? Yes, then repeat R, and then after that, which alphabet come next? S. Yes, very good. And then after that, R is a repeating alphabet. And now last, tell me which alphabet come next? Yes, very good. R, then S, R, then S, R and then S. This is called a repeating pattern with the help of alphabet. Now we will review quickly what we have to learn. First, understand that patterns can be found by repeating objects, shapes in different ways. Second, identify number patterns as growing patterns and continue them. And last one, identify and complete patterns made by numbers and alphabets. Now we will revise all the patterns with the help of more examples. Now you tell me 3, 6 and 3. After that, repeat 3, 6 and 3. Which number come next? Yes, very good. 3, 6, 3. Very good. Now, all of you see here some different colors. Circle is there. First one is purple color circle. Then after that sky color. After that purple, and then repeat again sky color, and then after that purple, and then after that sky. Now which color come next? Tell me. Yes, very good. Purple. Now you all of you understood, because here the two colors are repeating again and again. First, all of you see here two different picture is there. First, which bird is there? Yes, Crow. And then after that, which animal is there? Monkey. And then repeat again crow, and then repeat monkey. Now tell me which come next, monkey or crow? Tell me fast. Yes, very good. Crow.
Now all of you observe these two pictures and tell me which pattern shape is there or which font is there. Yes, very good. Growing pattern. Yes or no? See here that the plant is growing, and same here cat also growing. Very good.
So student, I hope you all of you learnt very well the number pattern with the help of different types.
Now the activity time. See here so many types birds and animals are there. You have to one chart paper, draw same pattern and color it and cut it and paste that this square box. Same here also and same. Which pattern comes next? You have to draw, color one chart paper and cut it and paste here. This is your activity. Now homework time. See, here some patterns are there. Find the pattern and put right tick for the correct one. I'll show you one example here. See, here this three answer is given, then one is a correct. Then I put here green tick. Like that, you have to draw this all the four sums in your maths notebook.